You must have heard this name many times on TV or use its product on daily basis, or if not, then ask to the lady member of your family. Chances are near to 99.9% that she knows. Yes, I'm talking about the most popular online retailer cosmetic brand of India, Nykaa. In this video, we will do fundamental analysis of Nykaa. Nykaa plans to launch $3 billion IPO according to the sources. They will launch IPO by the end of 2021 or early 2022 and is currently working toward the improving the company's overall profitability. Falguni Nair founded Nykaa in 2012, almost 9 years from now. She is founder and CEO of the company, headquarters situated in Mumbai. Currently, company is operated 68 stores and having 500 brands and 3 lakh products. Nykaa follows an inventory-based model. Here's how the inventory e-commerce model works. Nykaa purchases products directly from manufacturers and stores in their warehouses, which are located all over the India. Products are sold either on Nykaa's website or through its offline stores. Inventory business model allows for high profit margins. Let's come to economic analysis and competitors and USP of the company. As we know, Nykaa have first mover advantage because they plant their beauty seed in year 2012 when most of the Indian population are not comfortable with internet and its businesses. Some of the competitors of Nykaa are Purple.com, FabLA, PalmGoodness.com, MyGlam.com, SaniTalesWorld.com. Nykaa public offering could be around $500 million, which is likely to be the largest secondary sale of shares. TPG Growth, StateView Capital, Fidelity, Hero Group, Sunil Kant Munjal are likely to sell their shares as a part of the IPO. The website www.nykaa.com is owned and operated by Nykaa E-Retailer Private Limited, and the retail stores, that is Nykaa Luxe and Nykaa Content, is operated under FSN Brand Marketing Private Limited. Nykaa converts into public company ahead of IPO, renamed as FSN E-Commerce Venture Limited. Nykaa has appointed Kotak Mahindra Capital Company and Morgan Stanley as a manager for its IPO. Let's jump to the financials. Nykaa posted its first annual net profit in fiscal year 2019, when it posted a revenue of 1,160.98 crores and expenses of 1,157 crores. In fiscal year 2020, revenue surged 60% to 1,860 crore and the company maintained its profit at the same level. Nykaa reported a net profit of 2.31 crore in financial year 19. For financial year 20, it posted a profit before tax of 94 crore. The company has recently raised an undisclosed amount from Bollywood actress Alia Bhatt and Katrina Kaif. Period to this, the company has raised 167 crore from StateView Capital in 2 different tranches in May 2020. It has also raised 100 crore from American private equity firm TPG Growth and valued at $724 million. Post the round in April 2019 and $15.72 million from Lighthouse India Fund 3. That's it all about the Nykaa, and comment down below what your opinion on Nykaa IPO. If this video is helpful or useful, then like the video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.